In health news now, respiratory viruses are on the rise across the United States, including an uptick in COVID cases. You may be wondering, though, how and where you can get the COVID-19 vaccine.
But did you know that for most places you need a prescription to get a COVID vaccine until the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices meets next week? WALB News 10's Riley Armont talked with a local pharmacist about what you can do in the meantime.
Has approved the COVID-19 vaccine for this year. However, the new vaccine comes with some new rules. The first thing you should know is that in order to get the vaccine, you must be over the age of 65 or have existing underlying health issues. Robert Sharp, a pharmacist at USAVID, explains what you might need if you don't meet these requirements but still want to get the vaccine.
If someone is wanting a vaccine now, I guess my recommendation would be talk to your prescriber and then see who may have some supply of the vaccine.
The ACIP will meet September 18th and 19th to determine if local pharmacies will be able to prescribe the COVID vaccine to the public.
I reached out to CVS for comment on the new guidelines for the COVID-19 vaccine, and here's what they said. Right now, we can offer the updated COVID-19 vaccines to patients prior to ACIP action if they present an authorized prescriber's prescription. Now, this rule applies to 10 states, including Georgia.
Once the ACIP meets, you'll be able to get the vaccine in two more ways aside from having a prescription. First is through the Federal PrEP Act, which must be in accordance with the ACIP's recommendation. The second is through Georgia law, meaning pharmacies can have an agreement to give the vaccine with local physicians, but this must also be recommended by the ACIP.
It's my understanding that there may be some pharmacies that have been able to get it with different suppliers.
If the ACIP makes a recommendation that a prescription is not needed, Georgia's protocol law would be in effect. That would take limits off who can get the vaccine. Riley Armont, WALB, your hometown news source.